Welcome to Autocar World, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who live and breathe everything on four wheels. If you're passionate about cars, curious about the latest releases, or just love diving into detailed reviews, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's dive into something truly special: the return of a legend. The Morris Minor is back, and it's making waves in 2025. A car that once captured the hearts of millions with its classic charm has been completely reimagined for the modern era. The all-new Morris Minor 2025 is a blend of nostalgia and innovation, paying homage to its iconic past while embracing cutting-edge technology and design. If you're someone who appreciates timeless style mixed with contemporary performance, this car is going to blow you away. From the moment you set eyes on the new Morris Minor, it's clear that the designers aimed to preserve the essence of the original. The rounded silhouette, the chrome accents, and the instantly recognizable grille all scream retro charm. But look closer, and you'll spot the modern touch: sleek LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and an aggressive yet elegant stance. This isn't just a car for nostalgia enthusiasts, it's a bold statement for the future of compact cars. Under the hood, Morris Minor enthusiasts will be thrilled to discover an electric heart powering this beauty. The all-new Morris Minor 2025 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art electric motor, delivering smooth, silent performance and zero emissions. The battery pack offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city commutes and weekend getaways. And with fast charging capabilities, you can get an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. That's convenience and sustainability wrapped in one stylish package. Inside the cabin, the Morris Minor takes a futuristic leap forward. The minimalist interior design is a perfect blend of function and aesthetics. You'll notice a large central touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, giving you access to everything from navigation to entertainment. The interface is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected at all times. The retro-inspired steering wheel is a nostalgic nod to the original, but it's loaded with modern controls for audio, cruise, and even driving modes. The materials used in the cabin are top-notch, with an eco-friendly twist. Sustainable fabrics and recycled materials are used throughout, proving that the Morris Minor is not just forward-thinking in its technology but also in its commitment to the environment. The seats are plush and supportive, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're zipping through traffic or cruising down the highway. On the road, the new Morris Minor is nothing short of impressive. The electric motor delivers instant torque, making city driving a breeze. Its compact size means parking in tight spots is effortless, while the precise steering adds to the overall agility of the car. Even on highways, the ride remains smooth and composed, with minimal road noise, thanks to excellent insulation. And for those who love a bit of personalization, the car offers multiple driving modes, from eco-friendly to sporty, allowing you to tailor the experience to your mood. Safety has also been a top priority for the new Morris Minor. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or embarking on a long journey, these features ensure you and your passengers stay safe. The all-new Morris Minor 2025 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents a perfect fusion of classic design and modern innovation. It's for those who appreciate history but aren't afraid to embrace the future. And with a starting price that's surprisingly competitive, the Morris Minor is set to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle market. For fans of the original, This car is a dream come true. It's the ultimate tribute to a classic, brought into the modern age with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a 2025 model. For those new to the Morris Minor legacy, it's a chance to experience something truly unique. A car that combines personality, practicality, and performance like no other. So, what do you think of the all-new Morris Minor 2025? Is it the perfect mix of retro and modern, or were you expecting something different? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Autocar World for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest cars hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.